Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative smartphones on the market. Recently, Vivo launched the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. This is Vivo's latest attempt to revolutionize the foldable smartphone segment. Let's get into it. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is not just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its sleek design, fiber and aluminum, powerful internals, and unique folding mechanism, it's designed to offer both style and substance with IPX8 water and dust resistance. Usually smartphones weigh around 200 grams, but this foldable device weighs 236 grams, which is lightweight according to Foldable. Let's start with the design and build quality. The X Fold 3 Pro feels premium with its metal and glass construction. The hinge mechanism is robust and smooth, giving you confidence in its durability. Vivo claims this hinge can withstand over 200,000 folds, which should easily last throughout the phone's life cycle. The star of the show is, of course, the display. When unfolded, you get a stunning 8.3-inch HDR10 Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, with 4500 nits, and the overall viewing experience is just breathtaking with 2480 by 200 resolution aka 2K. On the cover screen, it comes with 6.5 inches with a resolution of 2748 by 1172. For those concerned about the crease, it's barely noticeable during daily use. Also, there are two in-display fingerprint scanners on both screens. Under the hood, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 750 Adreno GPU paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, which is paired with the custom-made Vivo V3 imaging chip. Whether you're multitasking, gaming or streaming, this phone easily handles everything. The performance is top-notch, and the software FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14 makes the experience even smoother. Let's talk about the cameras. The X Fold 3 Pro comes with a versatile camera setup. You have a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, a 64 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and there are two 32 megapixels camera lenses for cover screen and main screen. The photos are crisp, the colors are accurate, and the dynamic range is impressive. Video supports up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 30-60 FPS, and low light performance is also noteworthy thanks to the improved night mode. Battery life is another strong point. With a 5700 mAh battery, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro easily lasts a full day on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, the 100 watts fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging ensures you're back to full power in no time. The price of the device is 160,000 Indian rupees, which is around $2077. For now, it is available only in China and India. It comes in two color variants, Celestial Black and White. You can buy it through the website. So, there you have it. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. It's a blend of performance and practicality. Could you consider the X Fold 3 Pro? Let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. See you next time, tech aficionados.